Is it flashing red?
Yeah, it's recording now. Yo, that's so cool.
All right, yeah, it's on. All right, today, me, Robert, and just nobody else are gonna play some airsoft.
Holy cow, and it's like super hot.
Yeah, it's right now.
This is not the day for it.
It's 90 degrees out. I'm wearing full black with like a wool sweatshirt.
Because he's dumb.
Because I'm kind of stupid.
Thank goodness nobody's looking, bro.
All right, let's go.
Okay. So, where do you want to go?
I say we go enter through here, and
No, trust me. You want to start there or there?
I say we start over
You
here.
do not want to start right there. It is so obnoxious. That's where, because once you go through there, it's kind of just fun.
Yeah,
And it's like this annoying thing it takes.
yeah. There's the valley. I say we play in the this area.
I say we play in that tiny bush.
In there?
Yeah.
No. I'm good, thanks.
There's no Colorado. Once I have pistols, once I have like pistols,
that'll be fun. Okay, what if we both take sides? I can start on this side of the valley, and you go on this side, and then we can kind of just go through here. Have you on here, and then what do we want to do? 3 hits and you're out.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go over here.
Do I stop here?
Supposed to. Let me just get the other side. Yeah. Almost. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. What? Out. You're out?
No, I'm out.
Oh, ouch?
I said out.
Oh, out.
Have I hit you?
No. How many times did I hit you?
Once.
How many times have I hit you?
Anything because of my goggles. Oh, 1 second. I need to unplug my goggles again.
Did I hit you 3 times?
Yeah, I can't see anything.
You can't see anything?
No.
Dude, these